So namhlanje sizobe sibheka ama chemical equations. So sizobe senza i-application. I-video yethu esiyenzile yaseqaleni besenza ama-basics ukuthi yini mass, yini molar mass, yini ama number of moles, yini volume, yini concentration, zisebenza makwenze njani nokuthi sizicalculate kanjani. So manje sizobheka exam question and then si-apply le theory esiyenza. So mangaba zangu ngithola i-video noma ngaba zangu ngibheke kune-link in description. So ungayibheka bese nawe uzokwazi ukuthi understand ukuthi senzani manje. Okay. So umbuzo wethu wokuqala, question 1 okanje. Uthi study the balanced equation of the reaction between sodium carbonate and hydrochloric acid, and answer the questions that follow. Okay. In a reaction, 10.6 grams of sodium carbonate reacts completely with excess hydrochloric acid. Okay, so it's a sihlaziye le statement. So la ujeliwe kokuqala ukuthi equation yakho already i-balanced. Angisho ngishilo ku theory kule video yethu esiyenzile ekuqaleni ukuthi into esibheka kokuqala mangabe sine equation ukuthi i-balanced na. Okay, so la asikudingo sokuthi i-balance ngoba sabakutshelile ukuthi i-balanced, right? Okay, and then bakutshela ukuthi i-sodium carbonate reacts on a hydrochloric acid ukuze kunikeze lama products. Okay, my reactants nama products nisakhumbula. Alright, so lana bakutshela ukuthi in reaction 10.6 grams of sodium carbonate reacts completely with excess hydrochloric acid. Alright, so sisaphendula umbuzo wethu. So umbuzo wethu oqala A uthi calculate the molar mass of sodium carbonate. Now sodium carbonate liya, okay? So into oqala kumele uyenze is sibiza ngokuthi i-data collection. Okay, data collection. Okay, data collection. So it's ngisebenzise color ehlukile, maybe red. Okay, and have black. Okay, so i-mass yala yaga sodium carbonate sinikiwe ukuthi it's 10.6 grams and it's alright. Ama number of moles aswazi kumele siwacalculate. I-molar mass singayicalculate like senzile kule video yasiqaleni angithi. Okay, bese siya ku hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid i-mass yakhona asiyazi, number of moles aswazi, molar mass singayicalculate. Okay, so nangapha wenza okufanayo, number of moles awazi, molar mass ayazi. No, singayicalculator, mass, number of moles, molar mass ngayithola nangapha kanjalo. Okay, so isizathu sokuthi senze kanjena ukuthi uzokwazi ukusebenzisa iformula yakho kahle. Already siyazi ukuthi kunobudlelwano phakathi kwe-mass, kwe-molar mass nama number of moles. Angithi ubudlelwano bakhona sibuthola kule formula lethi number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass. Okay, so kunobudlelwano la, kune relationship. Okay, so that is why si-collecta i-data kuqala. Alright, okay, so umbuzo wethu wokuqala uthi calculate the molar mass of sodium carbonate. Alright, so i-molar mass yethu si-calculate kanje, sizothi molar mass of sodium carbonate is equals to atomic mass yaga sodium 23, right? 23 multiply by 2. Why? Ngoba kunama sodium atoms ayi-2. Alright. And then plus atomic mass ye carbon u-12. 12 multiplied by 1 ngoba kuna 1 carbon. Alright. And then plus atomic mass yaga oxygen u-16 multiplied by 3 because guna 3 atoms zika oxygen. Alright, and then from there uthole final answer yakho. Your final answer kuba 106 grams per mole. So kubalulekile ukuthi ubhale ama SI units, right? So SI units for molar mass, it's grams per mole. Alright. Umbuzo wethu olandelayo uthi calculate the initial number of moles of sodium carbonate. Okay, so manje usucalculate i-molar mass ye sodium carbonate and thola ukuthi u-106 grams per mole angithi. Okay, so now sebenzisa i-formula yethu. N is equals to mass over molar mass, right? Okay, so sifuna ama number of moles. So number of moles with sodium carbonate is equals to a mass over a molar mass. Okay, so imass yethu sinikeziwe u-10.6 grams divide nge-molar mass isiqeda ukuyicalculator 106 grams per mole. It's grams per mole. And then from there ama-grams azokhanselana namanye ama-grams. Okay, so selling ama moles. Alright, so then uzokwanza calculator yakho. See, it's 10.6 divided by 106. Isinikeza u-0.1 mole. So asikho isidingo sokuthi ukreme ama-SI units, right? Ngoba uyabona u-grams no grams bayakhanselana and then sisele ngo-mole. Alright. Umbuzo wethu olandelayo uthi calculate the mass of carbon dioxide produced during the reaction. Okay, so manje sibuzwa nge-carbon dioxide. Alright, so siqala la. Izinto eziningi esizicalculate is a sodium carbonate, right? Basinikeza i-mass, calculate ama number of moles, calculate ne-molar mass, right? Lokhu kusho ukuthi noma enye into abazosibuza yona sizozama all the time ukuthi sisebenzise i-information abasinikeze yona esesitholile. Alright, so mangabe to calculator amanzi, maybe number of moles wamanzi, uzowa calculator usebenzise information osuyinikeziwe osuyicalculateile before. Okay, manje sibuza ukuthi sicalculate i-mass ye-carbon dioxide. Lokhu kusho ukuthi sizosebenzisa information esinikezwe yona ye-sodium carbonate. Okay, alright. So i-molar mass ye-carbon dioxide singayithola into yokuqala singayicalculate leyo, and then ama number of moles asinawo ne-mass asinayo yiyo lesifunayo. Alright, so singaqala sithole ama number of moles noma i-molar mass phuma ku, but ngizoqala ngama number of moles. Okay, so ama number of moles with sodium carbonate, right? Nama number of moles with carbon dioxide. Okay, i-ratio ratio of number of moles of sodium carbonate and ratio of number of moles of carbon dioxide. All right, so my number of moles with sodium carbonate according to an equation, right? According to an equation, i1 kuno 1 la. Our hydrochloric acid I2, okay. Our sodium chloride I2, our carbon dioxide I1, water 1, right? So ku video yethu yokuqala ngifundisile ukuthi sibalansa kanjani ngithi. So now our sodium carbonate I1 is to our carbon dioxide now I1. So 1 is to 1. Okay, then manje, according to the calculation, a number of moles with sodium carbonate are 0.1. And it's according to a calculation list of the ends. Then a number of moles of carbon dioxide as was so x. Alright, so the cross multiplier. Must cross multiplier 0.1 multiplied by 1. So is 0.1, right? 1 multiplied by x is x. Alright. Now, x is a number of moles of carbon dioxide. Number of moles of carbon dioxide is equals to 0.1 mole. Okay, so my number of moles is what we're right? Number of moles 0.1. And then now this is a calculator in molar mass of carbon dioxide. Okay, so in molar mass a carbon dioxide is equals to atomic mass yaga carbon is 12. All right, so 12 plus atomic mass of oxygen was 16, right? So 16 multiplied by 2. All right, so it's 16 multiplied by 2. Sneakers with 32. So 32 plus 12 sneakers are 44 grams per mole. All right, so now since in a molar mass, siphinde sibe number of moles. So molar mass, siphinde sibe number of moles. Okay, now so I'm calculate a mass. So number of moles is equals to mass over molar mass. So over 1 la. And my number of moles was 0.1 over 1, right? Mole is equals to mass, molar mass is 44 grams per mole. Alright, so this is a cross multiply. Mass multiplied by 1, mass, 44 grams per mole multiplied by 0.1 mole. So mole no mole bazo cancelana. Then 44 multiplied by 0.1 is just nigeza 4.4 grams. So logish kuti mass carbon dioxide 4.4 grams. Okay. So umbuzo wethu wokugcina D, to calculate the mass of sodium chloride produced if 4.87 decimeter cubed of carbon dioxide was produced at STP. Okay, so la kunemithetho eminingi kumele siyilandele. Kuqala sitsheliwe ukuthi at STP. Alright, lokusho ukuthi asizenzeli ngendlela esithanda ngayo nje, sisebenzisa imgomo ye STP, right? Standard temperature and pressure. So with standard temperature and pressure, kune molar volume, kune temperature ku 273 Kelvin, ne-pressure yakhona is 1.03 times 10 to the power 5 pascals. Okay, so now sinikezwe i-volume e-carbon dioxide, right? And the volume le i-produced under imthetho or ama-conditions ukuthi it's at STP. Alright, okay, so let's calculate the mass of sodium chloride. So mass of sodium chloride, imolar mass singayithola, right? Actually it's let's calculate the molar mass of sodium chloride once straight. So molar mass for sodium chloride is equals to atom number sodium is 23 plus atom number chlorine is 35. Okay, and then 35 plus 23 so total of 58. Yes, 58 grams per mole. Alright, now we have two lawyer as multiplying with 2. Why? Because the two law work balance equation. Alright, so balance equation. So as alright, so which puts this in a 58 grams per mole. So balala payana 58 grams per mole. Alright, now my number of moles as now imes as now. So now umuntu angabuza la ukuthi how njengoba sithi ama number of moles as now, but now nje ama number of moles with carbon dioxide. So masina ama number of moles with carbon dioxide singavele senze i-ratio, right? I-ratio ukuthi sithi number of moles of sodium chloride number of moles with carbon dioxide, right? Bese siyabheka ukuthi according to a balanced formula, my number of moles 2, and then our carbon dioxide 1, and then lawa as now calculative, but a calculative carbon dioxide 0.1, right? Bese senza sivele siya cross multiply. But koninte wrong la. Angeke sizisebenzise le method le. Yes, la method i-right vele. So calculate kanjena ama number of moles. But la sinikezwe i-guide, sinikezwe umthetho kumele usulandele. Right, lo mthetho lo uthi at STP. So now into wrong ala number of moles ukuthi akusiya ama number of moles at STP. Ama number of moles nje, right? So like to let's calculate yonke into esizoyicalculate la must be under STP. Maybe we guided nge standard temperature and pressure. Okay. Alright. So kusho ukuthi mele sithola ama number of moles amasha we carbon dioxide. Alright. So if formula yethu kule video yethu siyenzile yokuqala nginga explain ama formula abalulekile masizokwenza ama chemical equation, right? So sikhulume ngale, which is number of moles is equals to mass over molar mass, and then nale futhi number of moles is equals to volume over molar volume of a gas at standard temperature and pressure, right? And at standard temperature and pressure layer volume is 22.4 decimeter cubed per mole. All right, okay, so ama number of moles with carbon dioxide at STP, standard temperature and pressure, is equals to volume over molar volume of a gas at standard temperature and pressure, and the carbon dioxide vele gas. Okay, so if volume abasinikeza yona 4.87 decimeters cubed divided by a molar volume at STP of a gas, a constant 22.4 decimeter cubed per mole. Asikho isidingo sokuthi uyikreme le constant bazokunikeza, asikho isidingo futhi sokuthi ukreme le formula. Into kumele uyazi ukuthi isetshenziswa kanjani nini makwenze njani. Okay, so now this is a calculator. 4.87 divided by 22.4. Okay, stola 0.2174 mole. Ngoba decimeter cubed bayakhanselana, so moles. Lokho kusho ukuthi sinama number of moles for carbon dioxide at STP. So uyabona ukuthi lama number of moles lawa at STP for carbon dioxide awafana lawa yaso calculate ekuqaleni, because lawa yana awekho under standard temperature and pressure. Okay, so then sesingayenza lento besiyenzile ekuqaleni but sebenzisa lama number of moles. Alright, so now into esifunayo a number of moles with sodium chloride, so sebenzisa i-ratio carbon dioxide. Alright, so number of moles of carbon dioxide ratio number of moles of sodium chloride. Okay, so according to a balanced equation, a number of moles with carbon dioxide is 1, a number of moles with sodium chloride is 2. Okay, now I'm a calculated number of moles of carbon dioxide at STP 0.2174, and then lana sino x, right? So cross multiply. So x multiplied by 1 is x, which is equals to 2 multiplied by 0.2174. So total 0.4348 mole. All right. So now I'm a number of moles with sodium chloride, which is what? 0.4348. Okay, so now sishotangan ngemass. So I'm a number of moles 0.4348, which is equals to mass asinayo, molar mass of 58 grams per mole. So la it's mole. All over 1. Okay, and then so cross multiply. Many yonki number multi 6 over 1 so 6. 7.4 over 1 so 7.4. Okay, so I can change njengoba nje over 1. Okay, so m multiplied by 1 still mass. All right, and then now 58 grams per mole multiplied by 0.4348 mole. Alright, so now cross multiply. Mole no mole bazokhanselana, and then so sizofaka calculator 0.4348 multiplied by 58 grams. Tola 25.2196 blah 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 grams. Okay, so kuzoya ngokuthi bathe round off to 2 numbers or 4 numbers or 5 more than ungayibhala yonke leya number but iningi. So it's 25.2196 grams. All right, at STP. So into bekade siyenza namhlanje besi applya ama formula wethu into a chemical equation, right? Because eqaleni video yethu esiyenze before besibheke ama formula ukuthi asebenza kanjani, right? Besibheke ukuthi formula sebenza kanjani. 1 namanye futhi volume over molar volume. So besibheke ukuthi i-relationship ubudlelwane banobudlelwane buni, right? So then now bese senza i-application yalawo ma formula lawo. All right, so mawuthatha ukubheka kula ma formula wethu, ama formula siwasebenzisa namhlanje, right? Ile nale. So ku video yethu elandelayo sizobheka ukuthi still ku chemical equation sisebenzisa kanjani le formula le? Concentration is equals to number of moles over volume, right? Ne-Avogadro, so number of atoms no converters, so cover kwenye video elandelayo.